Day one at the beach did not disappoint. We got up, lazed around till about 10 or 11, drank coffee, and then I made a big breakfast for everybody. We did regular sausage for my parents, and then we had turkey bacon, turkey sausage, scrambled eggs, and toast. This is kind of just a version of the same breakfast I make a ton of times. The trick to getting turkey bacon to taste good is to fry it in butter or margarine. That's my sweet mom. My mom and dad brought me and my brother and my brother's family and my family to the beach. This is the first time us all have gotten together like this, and we're staying for about a week, and my parents' dog came, so it's been fun. I haven't cooked on a stove like this in a long time. I have gas, and so it took me a second. I got the butter way too hot and it got brown, so I made brown butter, and I didn't mean to do that. I think I made 7 or 8 eggs, and I did 4 with cheese, 3 without, and ended up everybody wanted cheese on them, so I just added cheese to the other ones. But I made them 4 at a time because I wanted to use a solo cup so I didn't have to wash extra dishes. Another way to avoid washing an extra dish is I just cut the turkey sausage on the package that it came in. I do this at home too because I don't want to wash dishes. Once everything was ready, my mom was back there making some toast, and we just dished up our plates, and we put melted butter on the toast, and then there was a couple different types of jelly. It was a big hit. Everybody ate a lot, and then we weren't very hungry for lunch until about 3 o'clock. breakfast, I did the dishes because I wanted to have the kitchen clean, and then I also know if I leave these dishes here, my mom or my dad will do them, and I don't want them doing dishes because they're paying for this whole beach trip. So I think, I think it's only fair and right that I do the dishes. Then it started storming, and it didn't look like it was going to let up, so we went to the Garden City Arcade. This place brings back so many memories, the same sounds. I grew up going to this beach, and it has new stuff, but the feel is the exact same. It is like an old school arcade. They have, you use your credit card and get the other card, but for tokens or whatever, and then you win tickets, but it was cool. And then upstairs is all like their vintage games. Everybody had a blast. We stayed there for a few hours. We ate there. My favorite game to play is skee ball or skeet ball. I think it's called skeet ball. I'm terrible at it. I keep thinking I'm good at it, and then I can't get anything but the gimme points on it. These kids were beating me. I did almost get the 100 at the very end, but I did not get it. So I only got 10 points total. My parents were so cute. That's my brother and his daughter. They had a good time too. Those are my children killing each other at air hockey. And then Fred played with Alana. I don't know who won. Who won?
I did.
Oh, Fred did. Fred don't let the kids win nothing. I like old school arcade games. This was, oops, dropped the card. What was this? Oh, ring toss. I'm not very good at this game either. And there was a fingernail in there. Somebody lost a fingernail playing this. But I played this twice. There's no rhyme or reason to it, I don't think. Here's my cute parents again. They played Battlestar Galactica. What is that? Space Invaders.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Space Invaders. They were so cute. Me and Alana and Fred played that gun game like 3 times. My parents, we all went to the pier after the arcade, and we saw these cool fish off the pier. And then when we got back, we took the kids to the beach. It was still kind of cloudy, but it was so pretty and nice. What a great day.